Okay, this is the latest coming in from the Sandalwood drug scandal in Karnataka. Judicial custody for Sanjana Galrani. Remember, actor Ragini Dwivedi has already been sent to judicial custody, and now Sanjana Galrani becomes the second actor in Karnataka to be sent to judicial custody. Sanjana Galrani, Ragini Dwivedi's bail plea was deferred. She has to remain in jail until at least the 19th of September, if not until the 28th, to which she has been sent. And now Sanjana Galrani is the second actor who will be joining Ragini in prison under judicial custody. That's the very latest coming in on the Sandalwood drug scandal. Remember, the Central Crime Branch has questioned both Sanjana and Ragini. The two actors have become, in some ways, the face of this entire scandal. One doesn't know who else is going to be arrested. Two actors, a couple, Aindrita and Diganta, were also questioned by the Central Crime Branch today. And now the very latest we're getting to you from the ground is that Sanjana Galrani has been sent to judicial custody. That's the latest that we're getting to you. Nolan Pinto is our reporter on the ground. He will be with us in just a moment from now on this breaking story that we're getting to you. So two actors are now in judicial custody, Ragini Dwivedi and Sanjana Galrani. The big question that we've been asking here on India Today is that Aditya Alva, who owns the House of Pain, which is a party venue, is still absconding. Sanjana Galrani and Ragini Dwivedi, who were among the first to be called in, both actors are now in judicial custody. Sanjana Galrani becoming the latest. Nolan Pinto live with me from Bengaluru. Nolan, give us the lowdown on this. How, what happened? Sanjana Galrani also sent to judicial custody now.
Well, Shiv, in fact, at the first ACMM court, this is what we are getting information as of now. Sanjana Galrani has been sent to judicial custody now, but that's only for 2 days, in fact, till the 18th. So she will be taken over there this evening. Now, also, I need to mention this. Ragini Dwivedi's bail plea was actually supposed to come up today, but that was adjourned till Saturday. So basically, both of them will be in prison for quite some time. This is at the Parapana Agrahara Central Prison.
Yes.
Till their bail petition then comes up.
Okay, Nolan, thanks very much for that. Central Prison for both these actors, Ragini and Sanjana. We'll get you the very latest on that. 8 p.m. on Newstrack. This continues to be our top story. We'll debate that on Newstrack. Thanks for watching 5 Live.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.